I know it's a controversial issue, but remember, just because you're seeing some videos on TikTok doesn't mean that it's true. What am I talking about? Chipotle. Do you know what my For You page here on TikTok has looked like over the last month or two? Nobody's going to Chipotle. Nobody's going to Chipotle. Who's going to Chipotle? Nobody. Their portions are too small. Their prices are too expensive, which, maybe. But still, the overwhelming message is nobody goes to Chipotle anymore. Well, their earnings just came out, and it would say otherwise. Let's take a look. Chipotle closed at $51.78 today, and then their earnings came out, and now the stock is up. It's $58. Well, now $57. Restaurant traffic increased 8.7% in the second quarter. They were expected to do 32 cents, but they did 34 cents per share. They were expected to do $2.94 billion, and they ended up doing $2.97 billion in revenue. Second quarter net income is massive at $455 million, up from $341 million. This is incredible. Same-store sales rose 11.1%. And traffic to their restaurants increased 8.7%, even though there's backlash on social media fueled by customers who said their burrito sizes were smaller. And I have a theory about this. So you haven't been to Chipotle in over 2 years until I started seeing all these videos pop up saying, look at how small, look at how small. And all these videos were going viral, and I said, hey, as a finance content creator, I could maybe make this into a video. I should go to Chipotle, get a burrito, talk about the finance, the cost, blah, 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 and that's just what I did. And I started thinking, hey, Chipotle might actually like this. I mean, people are going, filming, posting. It's a lot of free publicity, and in my case, the burrito that I got was huge. And as someone who hasn't been in a long, long time, it was really, really good. And it was only $12 because I had a coupon because it was my birthday for free guacamole, so that helped lower the cost a little bit. Chipotle also opened 52 new locations and 1 international location. They also said that they anticipate that they will open between 285 and 315 new restaurants this year. Now, when I started seeing all this negative stuff happening on Chipotle, and then people started going to Chipotle and filming their reviews and saying, hey, actually it's pretty big, actually there's a lot of food here, actually it wasn't so bad, I started thinking about an investment in Chipotle. And so I started making one. I've been buying Chipotle steadily. Even though I bought some at $64, I loaded up at $52 per share just a few days ago. Because as someone who's been investing for over 20 years, I can recognize and spot a short-term overreaction that presents a buying opportunity. When everyone else was freaking out about Chipotle, no one's going to Chipotle, no one's going to Chipotle, I stepped in and started buying some shares. And this isn't always the best idea, which is why you have to know what you're doing, which is why you should definitely smash that follow. And if you want to learn how to invest for free, go here. All you're going to do is go right here, and you're going to click on the menu right here, and you're going to find all of these resources, including this course that is actually free. There's not even an email sign up. And in the about 3 to 5 minutes that it's taken me to film this video, I just got to show you this really, really quickly. Chipotle is now almost $59 per share. Maybe I should go support my investment. I'm going to get a burrito. Smash that follow. See you later.